next one we have here, a very pretty looking shop. We've got Atelier YJ, a mother 60s and daughter's 30s owned clothing brand. All right, let's check it out. And you are welcome, Jerry. Let's see, drying after decorating. Let's see, that is me. OMG. OMG. What's the OMG? Let's see. What? Lots of pretty stuff here. So, oh my gosh, look at this face mask. Now that is a face mask right there. Sexy face mask. Very pretty looking face mask for sure. Lacy face mask. Wow, I guess if you want to get, get seductive but still keep yourself safe, you can get the lacy face mask, So let's check out some of these different things here. We've got sweet eyelet placket with unusual ruffles and white. Very pretty looking item here. Now, I would recommend more keywords. It looks like you've nailed the photos. You've got great photos. It looks really pretty. Now this part down here, measurement, I don't understand. Just this one's a little confusing because it's only like one piece, but it looks like you're getting the whole shirt. Or is it just the top part? Is this for the whole shirt, just the placket? I don't know what a placket is, unfortunately. So I don't know. So you're saying it's just this piece. I think you're saying it's just this piece. If that's what a placket is. Yes, just that piece. Okay, I understand better now. I will say that it's a bit confusing. Now, I'm not an expert. I don't know much of anything about women's clothing, so I would assume most women would understand that it was just this placket. But unless that's like a really common knowledge thing, it could be confusing to people. Like if they think they're going to get this whole shirt and then they only get the placket, that would be, that's where it could be confusing to people. Now, I think you should sell the whole shirt. I don't know if you do, but that shirt is really pretty. Look at right here. Right here, it looks, this must be the full shirt right here. White puff sleeve top. Yeah, there we go. White lace blouse, white ruffled blouse, white peasant top, dressy white top. So this is super pretty. I love the item. And it looks like you got a lot of good keywords on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's really good. And then select an option. One thing you could do is on this listing, you could add the placket option. And because it looks like this is the shirt it came with. So right here, you should definitely have a link in this listing to the one with the placket, to the placket listing, but you could also even have another option right here that says with placket, without placket, and then you could have photos of both, but it still could be a little bit confusing. But overall, this is a really pretty looking item here. And let's see, white puff sleeve top. I would imagine that's a good keyword because it makes sense to me. White puff sleeve top, 2,316 results. So that's pretty good. Pretty good number of results right there. And then let's see, listed on June 30th. So it's nice and fresh. And then you do want to keep it renewed regularly to keep it staying there and to keep, boosting it up onto the search results. And then we've got the different sizes right here. Small, medium, large. I like this. You talk about the model. She's wearing a size medium, true to size. Very pretty. So overall, I think you've got beautiful photos, which is most important thing. One of the most important things, getting really nice looking photos will help you out a lot. Let's check this one out here. White blouse, white peplum top, white tops for women, white blouse women, white summer tops. Lots of good keywords there. You can add even more, but really you've done a great job because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's great. 5, I kind of always say that's my number. I would say you should at least have 5. Always aim for 5 keywords. Going a whole lot more than that can be difficult and not really necessary, but 5 is a great start, and you've got 5 right there. 3/4 sleeves, white blouse. Now, one other detail you could add is how is it washed? Because that's going to be something everyone's going to want to know. How do I wash this thing? Is it dry cleaning? Do you just throw it in the washer? Whites on cold, something like that. I don't know. Whatever it takes to get this thing cleaned up. But overall, beautiful item, super pretty. And let's see, July 2nd, that one's nice and fresh. So you're doing great there. And yeah, overall, really, really pretty items. You know, just keep putting them out there and make sure they look good like that. These ones, you got good photos. Summer shorts, elastic waist, handmade clothing for women. This one I would add more keywords for sure. You know, khaki summer shorts, even though these aren't quite khaki, but whatever the material is or the color that you would call these, you know, women's summer shorts, women's khaki summer shorts, this, that, whatever it is that's going to be fitting. And then here we go. We got this size guide. If women's sizes ever make sense to me, I've never understood how that goes from I've never understood a size 0 and then a size 12, 14, 16, 18. Like, what is going on here? This is so, and how is it size 0? I don't know. Never understood the size 0, but very cute items. And I think you've really got a great looking shop here, CEO, and you're off to the races with these beautiful items. Keep putting listings out there and keep renewing them, and make sure you got lots of good keywords on your new ones, and you've got a winning shop for sure.